Let me tell you a secret. You don't actually need to have any skills to make money online, especially not in today's age when AI can pretty much do all of the work for you. So in this video with step-by-step tutorial, I want to share with you some of the best make money online methods and different AI tools that you can use to make money on those methods and get paid everywhere from $250 to $500 per day without actually having any previous experience and a special skills and without showing your face. Almost everything that I share today is available all over the world and you. So let's get started. So first of all, our easiest method is running Instagram theme pages. There are thousands of theme pages on Instagram and they are earning thousands of money. And running the Instagram page is the easiest way to make money online because we can earn money from Instagram in many ways. So you guys will ask me, how do we earn money from Instagram theme page? So the answer is quite simple. Create a theme page by selecting a good topic on Instagram, like travel, memes, luxury lifestyle, etc. These are all the topics that people like to watch more. You can do affiliate marketing by creating Instagram theme page. With this, you can earn up to $500 daily. You can earn $100 to $200 daily by promoting stories. You can sell your own ebooks and courses. With this, you can earn hundreds of dollars easily. And I am giving guarantee that if you guys do all these things properly for 30 days, then you can easily earn money online. Because why can't we do what other people can do? And by combining all the methods that shown in this video, you can make a good income source. Now our next method is to sell digital products, like ebooks, softwares, course, etc. There are many websites to sell all these things like Gumroad, where you will get many ebooks and courses. There you can sell your course or ebook. Now you will ask me that we do not have ebooks, we do not have courses, what should we do to sell? So the answer is very simple. You can use artificial intelligence to create all these things. Many tools have also come in the online market. By using this, you can create many things. You can get the entire course created with ChatGPT, and you can edit it and sell it on a free website like Canva. Now let me tell you something important. In today's time, you can easily earn money online, but you giving excuses to yourself and others. If you want to earn money, you have to work hard, even though you know this, but you give yourself excuses. And if you want to know more about how to make money online, then definitely smash the subscribe button. And after this, our next step is YouTube automation channel. And guys, I am telling you the truth, YouTube is a gold mine. If you start making money from YouTube, you will get so much money that you cannot even imagine. So like all those questions, here also how do we earn money from this? So the answer is also very simple. You must have made videos on YouTube and that too a lot. And by doing your monetization, you can earn money from ads. And you can earn money in many other ways. And in the present time of artificial intelligence, you can get all this work done from AI. And if you want to know some secrets about YouTube, then I have made a video on it. If you want, you can watch it also. And if you manage YouTube well, you can earn thousands of dollars every day. Now you do not need to do anything under the next method that I am going to tell you. And that method is in the middlemen. In this, you just have to take money from one client and give it to another employee to do the work for which the client has paid you. Like for example, I want to do renovation in my house, but I don't know any good company that would like me to come in the middleman and take my money and get the work done with a flat rate and keep his commission. And it works everywhere. Amazon is the biggest example for this method. He connects the customers to the suppliers and keeps his commission. And by doing these things, Amazon is the largest and most powerful company in the world, which earns billions of dollars every month. And if you want a video on this thing in details, then do let me know in the comments. And if you want to know more about business or make money online, then definitely subscribe to the channel. And last and the most amazing method, which you will have a lot of fun doing this, and that is social media marketing agency, which Aman Godzi himself also does. And in this, you do not have to do anything. You just have to go to a restaurant, showroom, shop, etc. and go there and talk to us about bringing this business online, and I will help you in bringing it online and talk to us about finalizing the money. And you found this thing everywhere, near your house and also at other places. And now you people will ask me, what is this thing? And if it exists, then how will we do it? We don't know it all. The answer to this is also simple. You have to practice a little in video creating and gain some knowledge from other people about how they promote their things. And whether you people believe it or not, you can learn it in just 30 days and start your business in the next month itself. And if you want, above this also I will make a video in detail and tell you how you can start this business. Give 1,000 likes on this video and definitely tell me in the comment. I will take a video in detail for you. So these were our easy ways to earn money online. And if you people are very interested in YouTube, then it is very important for you to know some things about YouTube. And to know all that, click on this video, because in this video, I have told about the secrets of big YouTubers. If you enjoy the video, then please do like, and we will meet in the next video.